I have been working so hard to clear these files, working overtime to do the work that has been assigned to me. It's impossible to finish off all this work in the next 2 years. Oh, and that doesn't mean that I will be free as soon as I am done with these files. More work will be dumped on my head as I keep finishing the work that has been given to me. If I'm facing so much trouble in my office, and I'm just a state government, what about the Indian government that has to deal with issues of the entire country? India has crores and crores of people. Now, since it's such a big and populous country, the center and state government decided to share their work. Protecting the country, printing currency, managing police stations, building roads, running schools, providing electricity connections, water connections, running government schemes, cleaning roads, collecting garbage. The list of responsibilities of the government is endless. The center decided to take care of important tasks like protecting the country and printing currency. It gave local issues to state governments. Even after dividing responsibilities, the state government realized that it had too much work. It could not look into the problems and demands of hundreds of towns and villages which come under its control. People's expectation kept on rising, but the capacity of the government to address them remained the same. Work got piled up even as new requirements of people popped up. For example, this village right here is demanding an internet connection. And this one here, they want permission to build a fast food joint in the center. And this one, this needs a cinema theater to be set up for fairs. Now, how do I, the state government, keep track of all these villages in my state? I'm panicking. Help me! Local government! Yes, local government. We should have a government at the local levels, at the village level. The local government can look into small but urgent needs of people. If there is a leaky tap in the public toilet of a village, people can complain to the local government itself. They won't have to come all the way to the city to solve this. Local government can solve small problems that I, the state government, don't have the time for. That would help us to distribute the work. So you don't have to do anything. You're just trying to escape from your responsibilities. Who even gave you this idea?
I did.
Hey, Gandhi ji.
And it was the best idea to solve local problems, give freedom to villagers, ask them to take their own decisions.
That's right. I have 1,135 files pending with me, just collecting dust. If they had a government for themselves, they can just take their own decisions. And I, the state government, can just tell them if the decisions they take are okay or not. But it's not as simple as it sounds though. They don't just all shout over each other and try to come to a decision. Nothing would get done that way. No, the local government system is completely structured. Tell him, Gandhiji.
Local government exists in 3 levels. One in the village. The second level could be at the block or taluka level. And the third at district level. We can distribute work to all 3 levels.
That's right. This was a great idea. Before Gandhiji's 3-level structure, all the affairs of the entire village usually would be managed by 5 elders. They were called panchayats. Panch referring to 5 people and ayat means assembly. Panchayat. Get it? Now, they did their work without the interference of rulers. But now, with the 3-level system, they can divide the work amongst themselves. And I can relax about this 1,135 file situation. Oof! This village can get clean drinking water now. This village gets some new roads. This one gets a new school. And soon, before you know it, there, much better. Now I can focus on bigger issues. State governments are responsible for the entire state. But the states include so many cities and villages, and each of these villages will have so many problems and complaints for the government. This local government is split into 3 levels: the village level, the taluk or block level, and the district level.
If you like this video and want to watch many more amazing videos like these, like and subscribe to our channel now.